Hi, thanks for joining me today. My name is Sharif and I work for Dalet, promoting media asset management solutions during the day, and at night, I get to do what I love, shoot and produce content such as weddings and big events. But lately, there hasn't been many big events to shoot, so I've shot a lot of footage of nature, some of which I sell as stock footage on various websites. I tend to use all sorts of cameras when I shoot, such as red cam, gimbals, and lately I shot a lot of content with a few of my drones over water with mountains in the background, capturing a lot of high aerial nature footage. You'd be surprised at how many people download stock aerial footage. So now I have so much content across all my camera cards and hard drives, which I found out recently I can easily turn into money selling my content on stock footage websites. All I need to do is get organized, and that's where Dalet Flex comes in. So in a series of blog videos, I'm going to document the whole process I'm taking in Dalet Flex, starting from uploading my content, enriching it with metadata, getting organized, and publishing to monetize on stock footage websites. In this video, we'll focus on the first step, uploading our content to Dalet Flex. We simply drag and drop our files from our camera card or hard drive to the FlexMOVE webpage. We're then asked which pre-configured workflows we want to trigger, because we can have a few different workflows for various types of content and purposes. We can also choose who we want to share this content with. To help organize our content from the beginning, a form appears asking us to describe the content that we're uploading. We can choose to have our content scanned by artificial intelligence using Dalet Media Cortex, or we can have it scanned by one of the several quality control services that Flex integrates with to let us know if there's any issues with the video or audio. Now, I just click upload, and my content takes the journey from being in a box filled with hard drives in my closet to being accessible to anyone I want to share my content with, be it a video editor on Adobe Premiere Pro, to reviewers worldwide, or even artificial intelligence services. We can see each upload job, and if we lose our internet connection, we don't have to worry because this is a multi-part upload. So it'll just continue uploading where it left off as soon as it regains its connection. Our content has now been uploaded to Dalet Flex, ready for the next steps in production. Join me for the next episode where we will enrich the content with metadata so that it'll increase the chances of being found during searches.